Hello everyone, and welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor, an attorney at the firm, and today we're diving into a crucial topic, aggravated assault in Texas. If you want to gain a comprehensive understanding of this serious offense under Texas state law, you're in the right place. Let's start by defining what aggravated assault is in Texas. This offense is a serious crime that involves causing severe bodily injury or using or exhibiting a deadly weapon during an assault. To make this clearer, let's look at a real-life scenario. Meet Alex, a character who finds himself in a difficult situation. Alex had a heated argument with someone at a bar one evening. Things escalated, and Alex pulled out a knife, injuring the other person. This situation could lead to charges of aggravated assault. To understand aggravated assault better, we need to take a look at its key elements. First, there must be an intentional, knowing, or reckless act that causes severe bodily injury or involves the use of a deadly weapon. Severe bodily injury refers to injuries that can cause significant harm, such as broken bones, disfigurement, or injuries requiring surgery. Deadly weapons encompass a wide range of objects, from firearms and knives to items that, when used to cause harm, can be considered deadly. Aggravated assault carries severe penalties in Texas. Depending on the circumstances, it can be classified as either a second-degree or first-degree felony. It's important to note that defenses may apply in aggravated assault cases. These can include self-defense, defense of others, or mistaken identity, among others. Understanding the legal consequences of aggravated assault is crucial. A conviction can lead to substantial fines, probation, parole, and even imprisonment. If you or someone you know is facing aggravated assault charges, it's imperative to consult with an experienced attorney who can assess the specifics of your case and provide the best defense strategy. Overall, aggravated assault in Texas is a serious crime with severe consequences. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more legal insights. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.